other side note though, maybe he just got...
Alright, we're at a job right now that I've been telling you guys about, and the guy started the job. It got too hard at some point and he left the ladies. We took off with her money, left her with this shithole. So it's a swamp, there's some snakes in there, and we're gonna get it filled in today. We got 12 loads of sand coming. We're gonna fill it in and then get it graded out as soon as we can. I finally got some help. My help's over there hiding behind the machine. I won't complain about it anymore. But we're gonna get this hole filled in today. I'll update you guys throughout the process, but this is gonna be a 600 square foot drain filled 1,500 gallon tank. Let's do it. Got it going, pumping the water out. About an hour between dump truck loads because they take their time. Got the pump going. Garen running the pump. I'm glad to have help. Well, we're still about an hour between truckloads of dirt, so it's a process. There's a lot of time. Got everything set. I'm letting Garen, it's a good chance it's nice and open with the hour between loads. It's a chance for him to learn how to run the skid steer, because if you have an extra operator, it's always good. But he's not doing too bad for his first time. As we all know, skid steers are not hard, or not easy if you've never been on one. They're scary, they rock, but he's not doing too bad for his first time. This is a perfect chance for him to learn. No better time. Woo, let's get it. Well, we are at 9 loads of fill. We just about got this hole filled in right now. Looking pretty good. We have 3 more coming. 3 more loads coming. That's it for the day. They're running right at an hour per load. They just started, they got 2 trucks going, so got Garen's still running a skid steer. Honestly, not that bad for first time. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna clean all of that shit up now that we can actually get to it with the hole filled in. I feel terrible for the homeowners because the previous guy took their money and Scooby-Dooed it out of town. So you know, what can you do? But we got them going. We're gonna help them out. All right, back to it. Woo! All right, another day, another dollar. We are gonna head over to cover up that sewer line that we did the other day for the plumber, and then I gotta go. I had a tank. We had a lot of rain, and a tank that I installed back in February or March. They never had a chance to put any water in it. There was no water on the property because it was a new home. we had a ton of rain a few weeks ago and the tank floated. We're gonna go straighten that up, get it back leveled out. There's water on the property now, so we're gonna put lots of water in the tank. And then we're headed back over to the job from yesterday. We're gonna clean up all that swamp grass that's grew up around the area. We're gonna get it all ready for tanks and drain field, so we can grade it all out. All right, let's go do it. Okay, we are out here where I said the tank floated. That's what we got. I didn't fill it full of water when I installed it. There was no water out here to do. COVID caused them to not hook up the plumbing, so never got any water. And now we're gonna get it back in the ground. He's digging up the lift station so we can put some water in it while we're here, so it doesn't bobber out of the ground after we leave. We know they do it. I just didn't fill it full of water. My bad. It happens. All right, got the tank back in the ground. Super wet, a lot of groundwater. So we left it at a really rough grade. We're gonna come back and we're gonna bring the skid steer and some fill, but we got it. We're gonna leave it like that for now and let all that wet soil dry out. Whoop. All right, yesterday, come in, cleaned up all this growth around the side. This shit's been sitting here for 2 years, so there's a lot of stuff inside buried that I couldn't see, but we got as much as we could cleaned up on the sides. We're getting on the back side today. That's where the tanks are going. Over there, we're waiting on them to come now. So we'll get all that cleaned up when we get the tanks in. We're gonna get the drain field laid in today. Busy, busy, busy. All right, so we got the tanks in yesterday. Didn't go quite as planned. There was a hard pan down, luckily right where we needed to go, because we wouldn't have been able to go any deeper. It took forever to get everything graded out and the hole dug with that hard pan. So, and then the groundwater was absolutely just coming in so fast. So it was a race to get through the hard pan, get the tank set before the water got too bad. But we got it. The last 2 days here have been the hottest days of the year. Yesterday my truck said 111. The day before, I think it definitely got to 100 the day before, but the heat index is absolutely crazy. It feels like you're in an oven just baking like a turkey. It's been so hot, there hasn't been a whole lot of time to grab the camera and go over what we're doing step by step like I usually do, but because we're just trying to get the work done and get the hell out before we pass out and die. We're just trying to get out of the heat. So we're gonna get out there early today, get the drain field laid, and get out of there. was the week. It was hot, real hot. Not a whole lot of grabbing the camera and showing you guys what's going on. I completely forgot to even do an ending to this video. So here I am at home doing it, out on the back porch at the bar. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Podcast is coming again. Another episode is in the works. It's hard to get septic guys to want to be guests on it. Go figure. That's okay. We adapt. But yeah, thank you guys. Make sure that you're subscribed. I appreciate everybody watching, everybody supporting, the Facebook comments, few that I did get. I appreciate all of it. Like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. Fun week. Next week's gonna be another busy one, and fun too. See you. The story was that she did that so she could get control of it, and he was in on it, and all it took was time.
That's why you had a mansion and shit like that. She bought it for him. And then his little mamacita that he had. Can't convince me it didn't happen. Carol Baskin.